In this short video, I'll guide you through the simple methods to customize your iPhone's ringtone with any song or sound you choose. Are you tired of the same old ringtones? Let's personalize your iPhone sound experience with a custom ringtone. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate iPhone settings and optimize their device's functionality. Today, we'll focus on customizing your ringtone. Stay with me until the end to discover additional tips for managing your iPhone's audio settings. Now, let's get started on how to set any song as ringtone on iPhone. The first method is by using GarageBand and iCloud Drive. GarageBand is a free music creation and recording app which comes pre-installed on all iPhones and iPads. It allows you to create, edit, and mix music, as well as record and edit audio. To start with this method, download the GarageBand app on your iPhone. Select the song or sound you want to use as your ringtone. You can also screen record the desired portion of the song or import it from your files. Open the selected or recorded song in GarageBand. Next, trim it to the desired length and adjust settings as needed. Export the edited audio file as a ringtone. Then go to Settings and select Sounds and Haptics. Next, tap Ringtone and select your custom ringtone. Before we continue with additional methods, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with how to get ringtones on iPhone for free. The second method for older iOS versions is by using iTunes. To start with this method, connect your iPhone to your computer and transfer the desired song to your iTunes library. Right-click the song in iTunes and select Get Info. In the Options tab, set the start time and stop time to define the desired ringtone section. Sync your iPhone with iTunes to transfer the ringtone. Next, go to Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Then tap Ringtone and select your custom ringtone. Whichever method you use, ensure the song or sound file is in a compatible format like MP3 or M4A and should be typically limited to 30 seconds. But what if you want to use a video sound as a ringtone instead? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set a video as a ringtone on iPhone. Tap to watch it after this video. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Click this card to explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.